Did you know that the word NASA in Hebrew means to deceive? Science tells us the Earth is moving 1,000 miles an hour at the equator, 66,700 miles an hour around the sun, chasing the sun through the Milky Way galaxy, 500,000 miles an hour, while the Milky Way galaxy is moving 2.2 million miles an hour. But if you take a video of the sky at night, of a time lapse of the sky, this is what you see. I have a telescope pointing at the North Star for over a year, and it has not moved, which tells me that the Earth is not moving. Even on a Gleason map, it tells you that the sun moves around the tropic in a spiral circle, widening every day until it reaches its destiny on the southern or outer solstice on December 21st. This line is the Tropic of Cancer. This line going through here is the Tropic of Capricorn. The sun circles, widening on its path until it gets to the Tropic of Capricorn, and then it goes back in. This is on December 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. What happens is the sun has got as far away from the Tropic of Cancer as it's going to go, and it's at the Tropic of Capricorn. And that means the sun is a lot closer to Antarctica than it is to New England, which is why New England is in its winter. It's a cold winter, and the southern hemisphere is now warm. Then what happens is on December 22nd, 23rd, 24th, the sun sets in the same location. And then on December 25th, the sun begins to come back to the Tropic of Cancer. This is how it works. When the sun is passing over the equator, this happens during the spring equinox, and the sun is crossing over in the constellation of Aries. Aries is the ram, so the sun is defeating the ram and coming back to New England, or crossing back over into the Tropic of Cancer. Now, all of this stuff is talked about in the Bible. It's the Passover. That's the sun passing over. Now, the another amazing proof that the Earth is one side, it's flat. It's one side. It does not have two sides. It's not a ball. And I can prove this right here. I have a compass and a magnet. The magnet represents the North Pole. A compass is attracted to the magnetic north. So when you spin the compass around the magnet, it always points north. This is how a compass works. This is why you circumnavigate, because you navigate in a circle. That's what circumnavigation is. So this compass and magnet show you that the Earth is flat, and I'll prove it. What happens is when you turn the magnet over, the compass actually shifts to magnetic south, and you can spin the compass around and it'll point to magnetic south. Now, anyone that has used a compass or traveled or been around the world knows there is no such thing as magnetic south, meaning no matter where you are on this Earth, you will never have a compass point to magnetic south. There is no magnetic south. There is only a magnetic north. From anywhere on this Earth, if you use a compass, it points north. So we only have one side on this Earth. That's it. We have been deceived by NASA, by our government, which means to restrict the mind. We have been fooled. We have been manipulated, and people are finally starting to wake up. If you want to learn the whole story and understand a ton, go right there. Become a member. Get all of my books. $5 a month, huge support. I'm banned, I'm censored. This is my brand new profile. I had to start over at 200,000 followers. I love you all so much. I hope to see you there.